Ricardo Cooking Show. It's amazing, guys, to be in the kitchen. I want to say thank you so much. You know what I mean? Take the time to say thank you so much, guys, to who so far brought this cooking book. Chef Ricardo Caribbean Cuisine Cookbook. I want to say, basically, a lot of people might have said, well, Chef Ricardo, you know what I mean? I like the book, I don't like the book. But I'm telling you, the book is selling. And a lot of people buy this little book right here. This book where you see inside of my hand, a lot of people buy this cooking book. And as I say, the book was dedicated to my daughter, and hopefully I want to say, take the time out to say thank you so much. It was a wonderful, I can't believe that so much of the book sell, guys. So many people leave their comments, some people leave all different kind of comments, but we all know that in one bunch of banana, you have to have a bad one inside of it. So I always say thank you so much for all who brought the book, and you know what I mean, thank you so much for the time spending, you know what I mean, leaving your comments. Although some people write all different kind of comments, but it's good. That's how you're gonna learn, you know what I mean. So you have to have someone write something for you to learn. And you know what I mean, as I said, the book was dedicated to my daughter, and a lot of people brought the book, and I want to say thank you so much. It is brilliant, and thank you for your comments, thank you for your time, for watching my video. Basically, I want to say it is just good, and we have the next book which we are working on, which is going to come out 2020, 5 years time from now. You never know, it might come out 19 or 18, depends how things run. It might come out a little bit earlier. But as you can see, the volume 2 of the Caribbean Cuisine Cookbook is a nice cookbook. As you can see it, looking lovely, nice. A few dishes in it, which is a twist dish, which a lot of people don't know how comes Chef Ricardo put such a dish in such a Caribbean cookbook. But the reason why this recipe are in the Caribbean cookbook, because that's where I am starting from, and that's where a lot of people have that recipe. A lot of people are saying make sure that recipe inside of the book, else I'm not gonna buy a book. So it's good. But anyway, here it is, and a lot of people brought it, and I want to say thank you so much, guys. I've got a lot more recipe coming out for you. The book is on Amazon. There's a 50% off, and there's also 50% discount price when you brought the book on Amazon. So this is the book right here, Caribbean Cuisine Cookbook from Chef Ricardo. Enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the channel, guys. We got a lot more recipe coming out for you. See you next time. Bye bye.